Data types. It is used to specify the size and type of values that can be stored in the variable. So we know variable is a container and it is used to store values. But what is the size of the data and which type of data can be stored inside that variable, everything will be decided based on this data type only. Data types are classified into primitive and non-primitive. So primitive means it is like it can store only single value within that. So it is a direct memory location. Non-primitive means it is nothing but reference of the memory location. It will not store directly inside that. So under primitive we have Boolean, numeric. And after several classifications we have at last Boolean, char, byte, short, int, long, float, double. These all are the 8 important primitive data types. And under non-primitive we have string, array, etc. Now let's see the data types with example and their default value and default sizes. First data type Boolean. It will be always true or false values. Example for Boolean is Boolean b equal to true. Here Boolean is the data type, b is the variable and true is the value. So we are assigning this true value to this variable called b. Default value for Boolean is false. Default size is 1 bit. Then char. Char will be always from A to Z, like capital or small. It can be anything. So char CH is equal to A. We need to keep that letter within single quotes. Default value is given here and default size is 2 byte. Then byte. Byte should be within this range and example for this is byte b equal to 22. Default value for byte is 0, default size is 1 byte. Short range is given in bracket. Then example for short is short s equal to 3000. So it should be within this whatever range given in brackets. Then default value for this is 0, default size is 2 byte. Then int range is given here. Example for int is int a equal to 312890. So it should be within this given range. Default value is 0. Default size is 4 byte. Long range is given here. Then long L equal to 3200 L. We need to keep this at last after writing that numbers. Then default value for this long is 0L. Default size is 8 byte. Then float. Float f equal to 17.89. So it should be written like a point numbers. And default value for float is 0.0f. Default size is 4 byte. Then double. Double is like more than float. We need to write like double d equal to 17.896. So after point there will be more numbers. Default value for double is 0.0d. Default size is 8 byte. This is very important and based on this range we may get many interview questions. So please read this carefully. Let's see one example for how to declare those data types. Int a, b, c. We can declare 3 ints at once, like comma we can use and we can declare that. So here a is a variable and int is a data type. Then int a equal to 10, b equal to 10. So it is like if you are keeping equal to sign, it is like assigning that value to this variable. Then byte b equal to 22. So here we are initializing this byte variable. Then float c equal to 1.24. So we are keeping point here. That is float. Then double pi equal to 3.14159. So after point we have many digits. So that is double. Then char ch is equal to a. Characters should be always written by using single quotes. Then Boolean flag equal to true. This is how we will initialize Boolean value.